Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have, because it's the beginning of the month, cards in the mail to me video, and so I've got quite a few, and I've also got some on-stage things. So we've got our annual convention is happening this weekend, but obviously it's happening online. So this is going live at 7 AM my time, and so in an hour we kick off the final day. So actually I'm going to start by showing you the goodies that I've received from Stampin Up. So these all came in the post in advance to everybody. At the point in time I'm filming it, I'm not sure what's happened. I'm filming it before it starts. So it's Thursday for me now, and you're seeing it a couple of days later, but they send us a gift. So if you are a senior title, you get a gift in, normally you get one as you attend, but obviously they put it in the post. And actually this is the first time I'm going to detach this. So this is a scissor charm. Actually, you know what, I'm not going to detach that. Let me see if I can pull this apart. The irony of needing a pair of scissors to pull everything to pieces. So, yeah, that one's not coming undone, is it? I'm going to have to do it like this. I can't stretch it. So this is a pair of snips, which I love, you know, and I trash mine frequently. And then we have got, this is, there was much confusion initially as to what this was. Is it a bracelet? No, it's not long enough. Is it a bag charm? That's quite big. It's actually a pair of scissors charm, or a charm for a pair of scissors. So we've got the Stampin' Up logo there that you can see, and then a little envelope there, and then all of these beads. So this clips on up here, and then if you lose your lid like I do, down at the bottom you've got a protector for it. How clever is that? I love it. Just brilliant. But yes, obviously all logoed up with the Stampin' Up logo. And then we had the choice to opt in and buy a swag box. So in here, all sorts of things. So we've got a lovely message from Sarah. It's a great big box. And I'm going to move that out of the way. So obviously they were hoping and preparing to do an in-person event. So we've got grid paper here. So I'm presuming there's just a few sheets there of grid paper with the logo. So we get a fresh logo every time there's an event. Huge, great big bag. And this is one of those ones, I think, oh no, this isn't one of those. I thought this was one that went on luggage, but zippers at the bottom, pockets at the front and back, and then inside it's all printed inside. So I'm guessing that there is going to be a stamp set coming out that looks like this. I'll just unzip this, but yeah, so I'm hoping that we've got a spring summer catalogue that's got that in it, and move that over there. And then I did open a few bits. So we've got 3 notebooks to make notes in, obviously throughout the event. So I've got squares, lines and dots. So they're very cute. And then some stickers to decorate it with. And like I say, I'm really, really hopeful that we are getting something in this sort of ice cream pattern. I know we've got dragonflies. I've got that over on one side. Can't show it to you, but I've got it. And we've got these pins. So we do the trading. So normally, again, you do it in person. I actually quite like mine. I've got a snail, the on stage, and then I've got that ice cream, again, that ice lolly. Love it. And then we were told about a rainbow pen, and I'd have bought the swag box just for the rainbow pen. Not exactly rainbow, but I'm guessing that it's going to change colours. I mean, it's not in rainbow order, which means it's just multicoloured in my eyes. So, is that going to come out green and then yes, it's going to start out green. So presumably the colours are going to change as I get through it. So that's cute. Very cute. And then a stamp set. And I don't think the stamp set, they're planning to use it within the event, but very nice. So yeah, excited. I will come back and tell you what happened, but I kind of need to film it ahead of time so that my computer is free for me to watch, because it's a fully online event. So, okay, so let's get started with some stuff that's come in the post. So these came yesterday. So if you didn't know, if you don't follow me on social media, and I haven't put it on my blog, but I actually achieved my final promotion last weekend on the 31st. So within Stampin' Up, like any company, you can promote, but obviously that within direct sales, it's based on lots of different factors. It's not just because I'm doing a good job that I get promoted. You know, there's nobody sort of looking and going, oh yes, I'm doing a good job, let's promote her. No, it's based on actual requirements. And the higher the title, the bigger and the broader the spectrum of things that you need to do. So it starts off with personal sales, and then maybe recruiting somebody into your business, and then building a team and so on. And to get to my title, you need a huge amount of stuff going on. So utterly delighted, in just 7 years I've promoted to what is known as Platinum Elite. So anybody who's not a demonstrator, that title, the wording doesn't mean anything, but yeah, I achieved that. So I'm utterly delighted. It's obviously, as I said, based on team activity and personal sales. So a big shout out to all of you for supporting me, for shopping with me, for joining my team and all of that. So, and then these came through, and it was lovely to get these in the post because, as you can hear, perhaps I'm absolutely full of cold. Nothing more sinister than that. It is just a cold. I've been taking my temperature regularly, and I can still taste chocolate and food. But I had this come through from my team leader, who sent me this, which was just lovely, very much her style. So that came through, and then this came through from Jez on my team. So Jez is Nigeza Creates, and she's used here the curvy dies, which you can get there, available now, and obviously, and she's created me a rainbow. But I love this. My son wandered in, he said, oh, that's really cool, she's cut that in half. And I said, yeah, she's put the rainbows down, and then she's die cut it and separated it out. Brilliant. And then her vouchers in there, she's cashing in vouchers as well. But she did put a note in about my promotion, which was very, very sweet. Okay, so I have got a couple of bits here from lovely Yvonne, who sent me these, and these are so sweet. And these, there's all sorts of treats and goodies in here. Let me just pop that open. So there's 6 of these little bags, and I have to say, I put them in my office to film and then completely forgot about them. So I'm giving them after the event to my boys. But yeah, loads of chocolates. There's 6 of these little bags in here. All with the ribbon around the top. I'll show you one that I haven't destroyed. And then Chocky's in there. And this was all beautifully ribboned up. Like I said, I hacked into it straight away because, you know, I'm rude and brutal like that. But it all twisted round. I think I can sort of get it on. Maybe. Like that. And then this fabulous card. I just don't even know how you would construct it. Fancy folds are not my thing, and then a nice little note at the back. But yeah, lovely. I love that. It's really, really solid, and I'm guessing that's because there's so much cardstock. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers there. So just fabulous. So thank you, Yvonne. So that came through. This was very sweet. This is from lovely Kai, who put these in the post to me, and she crafts with her daughter, which I think is lovely. So I've got, is that a ladybird? Oh, it is, it's a ladybird there. And then 6 more. Thank you everybody who put stuff in the post to me, but then includes the boys and Chris as well. That is so sweet. And a nice little note in there. So yeah, that's really cute. Little treats for my boys as well. And this was one of the ladies in my team over in France. So this is Anique, and she has used our gold hoops. I've not known how to use them. Now I do. She's created a wreath. That's just brilliant. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Irma, who's over in my team in the Netherlands. She's put this together. I missed that paper. That was glorious, wasn't it? Just gorgeous. That's from Pam. Thank you ever so much. So I do personalised orders for Pam. So she gets in touch. She said, can you order me this? And then I do them for her. Oh gosh, I remember this. I remember this stamp set. Gosh, that was Celebration, maybe 2014. And who's this one from? Sadie. So Sadie, you're very welcome. But yeah, I remember that one. That's gorgeous. Who's this from? Helen, who was on my team, but she's now a happy shopper now. Just, I love that paper, and actually I used it. I was creating yesterday. So let me move those out of the way. And then these also came through from Irma. So do you know what? Does anybody not know that I'm a Disney fan? So this is an apron. I think other countries may call it a pinny, but it's got little pockets. So you wear this. This is, you know, like I say, we call it an apron to protect you when you're cooking. Look at that, sassy Minnie Mouse. That's just fantastic. But she's also sent me a Christmas one as well. And it's got gingerbread. I might possibly have done, ironically enough, a Disney order for the new gingerbread gingerbread ornament that has just come out. Shopdisney.co.uk has very little on it, but they've got a gingerbread candle and a gingerbread, and actually he looks like very much that shape. But yeah, so I've got a Christmas one and a mini one. That's too cute. So, okay, right. I've got one left with something in it. I saved mine. They all of these had their own special colour coordinated tags, and that goes with that one. There's only one left that hasn't been opened, and this was from the gorgeous Jenny, who put these in the post to me. There's the red one and there's the orange, and I'm just going to have to, it's going to make my brain ache. I need to put that in rainbow order. See, rainbow order is rainbow order. Anything else is just multicoloured. Rainbow. The pen from Stampin' Up, it's not rainbow, it's a multicolour. But in here, I don't think I've publicised this. My favourite chocolate in the world is Galaxy, shortly followed by Crunchy. And Jenny put these in the post to us with this as well. See, look, there's 6, and I love it. Look, they've all got detailing on. So each has got the colour coordinated cardstock with the punch and an embellishment to match the cardstock, and then more embellishments on there as well. And each of them has got that. They've all got the colours on. Just brilliant. Thank you, Jenny, you made my day. But she also put this in the post too. And this has got a couple of tea lights. And I know they've got a fragrance. I can't smell it right now. But they've got a sort of a cranberry berry, sort of cinnamony, kind of a Christmassy fragrance, which is so sweet. And yeah, popped in the post to me. That was lovely. And then I've got a couple more cards here. See, look, rainbow order. Oh, look, rainbow order. Although the pink might need to go the other side of the purple. I tease. So this one is from Jenny, who made these. So yes, she's put me together a rainbow. And this one is from Dawn. So Dawn is one of my French team, Dawn Barrack, over in France. So she's English, but in France. And then, what are these from? Oh, this is from Shelley Gardner, who is the co-founder and the CEO of Stampin' Up, and she sent me this because I achieved my 1.1 million in personal sales in August. And then, yeah, this came through recently, so that was very sweet. And my pin, I ought to bring over my pin boards one day. And then, oh, I don't know who this one came from. It doesn't say. Oh, well, another gorgeous card. I really don't remember who that was from. I think it was somebody cashing in vouchers. But yeah, big pile of stuff to share with you this month, and my phone's binging quite loudly. But yeah, like I say, I got this from Shelley, and then I got my my pin to show 1.1 million, but it's right the other side of the office. But I will bring that on camera one day and share it with you. But as ever, thank you ever so much for putting amazing things in the post. I'm just going to put Jez's card over to one side because I need to cash those vouchers in for her. The rest I've done, but literally it came through and I've not cashed them in yet. But yeah, gorgeous, beautiful, incredible stuff, and a Crunchy for me to eat now. I'm not very well, I'm entitled. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.